Ayaneo has built a reputation of crafting high-end, powerful retro gaming handhelds. Now the company is planning to launch a mobile phone. The company recently dropped a vague teaser for the upcoming device. The device promotes the Ayaneo Phone as a handset that will have the soul of gaming handheld. If the leaks are correct, the device might deliver key features that mobile gaming industry definitely needs. Most gaming phones from competitors like RedMagic and ASUS ROG focus on powerful chipset and advanced cooling. They require expensive accessories for control, but Ayaneo phone seems to be taking a different path. It prioritizes core tactical hardware. The most crucial detail spotted on the teaser is the clear presence of physical shoulder buttons where the phone is held horizontally. For serious mobile gamers, there's a massive plus. Physical buttons of precision and immediate tactile feedback that screen overlays simply cannot match. The design focuses align perfectly with Ioneer's history. The device can be released under the company's remake banner, which previously featured retro style modern handheld. This has led to heavy speculation that it might be adopt a sliding form factor. The form factor is reminiscent of the beloved and long discontinued Sony Xperia Play. While the video does not confirm a slider, the emphasis on integrated physical control suggests Ineos looking to recapture the classic all-in-one gaming experience.